So we finished this section where we said that subcategories. Section number 7, Tzedakah priority list. Okay. It is important to note that there are additional factors which may overrule and or interface with the entire priority list. They are listed here as written in Shulchan Aruch. Right? The order is follows. Okay. Number 1, any situation pikuach nefesh, as we explained. Number 2, support of the study of Torah. So even if it's not pikuach nefesh, somebody is in need, but there is a study of the Torah, takes precedence. Number 3, to pay the medical needs of the poor, right? Okay, because I mean, for poor person, if he's not going to get money, and we have these situations, like for them it's the end of the world. For other people, yeah, I can take loan, I can take a mortgage, second, or whatever. They still have some plan. But these, like they say, have plans, some hope. Maybe my brother is going to help, come around, this and that. But this guy, poor people, that's for them not to have like even plan. It's like a death. Okay, continue. Number 4, the building and the maintenance of community shul. Right, that's very important. However, there are monies are only designated to enhance the already existing shul or to build a shul. When one already exists, the priority would follow 5. Okay, so let's read this 4. The building or maintenance of the community shul. So if community does not have a shul, so that's a very high priority, number 4. Right, all of this after all of this. Of course, study Torah comes before that, but if there is no shul, you must do that. Or maintenance. So maintenance, if it's the roof is leaking. Okay, roof is leaking. And next one. However, when there is money only designated to enhance the already existing shul, this shul is there, but they were trying to take care of this, new tiles, new wallpaper. I mean, the wallpaper, okay, maybe it's not the best, but I mean, we can survive with this one, right? So enhance the existing shul, or to build a shul where there's already one exists, and that's usually the issue. They build too many shuls because everybody wants to be rabbi, and every that's what I know. Few people that say, no, I want to be Gabbai. I say, you cannot read Hebrew. Like, why wouldn't you be Gabbai? Like, you don't know the laws. You're not Shomer Shabbos. Why do you want to be Gabbai? No, I want to be Gabbai. All of these people, they want to be Gabbais. Okay, so, in order to be a Gabbai, and I hear from first hand from these people, and I was like shocked, and I continue to ask questions. Right, because these Gabbais were ready to build a new shul and to build almost a new community in order to be a Gabbai. So it has nothing to do with expanding the Torah and bringing glory of Hashem to this world. No, he wants to be a Gabbai. Number 5. So for this, of course, we don't do. So this is not any priority. Number 5. All other needs for the poor of the poor. Facilitating the marriage, it's all in one. All other needs of the poor, facilitating the marriage of the orphan girls, takes precedence here. Okay, so right for a girl. For a boy, I mean, he can go and beg, but for a girl, that's a precedence. Continue. In situation when these factors may apply, a Rav should be consulted.